Hello, Unicorns! Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, I'm going to unbox my vlogging microphone. And I want to share kung paano makatipid sa Shopee. Kinsa kabalo sa Shopee. If you're interested, just keep on watching. First, I will show you the box. Tada! So, na mga accessories. Here it is. The box looks like this. You can see what are the things inside. So, let's open this now to see all of this inside of the box. Tada! I just opened it. Magic. First, it have manual. Second is this thingy. It has one fire windshield, or what other people call dead cat. Get this off. By the way, guys, this thing will protect the noise from the wind. It has one hard case bag. This is to protect your microphone. Here is the microphone. The microphone looks like this. Next is one by one only. Oh, another connector. It has a phone connector. One by one only, okay? This is for the camera. You can say this is for camera. And the last one, it's right here. Tada! Tada! One rugged metal construction. Time to check if this microphone really works and worth our money. This is me with a microphone without a windshield. This is me with a microphone and with a face shield.
Windshield.
Windshield, the eye. This is me without a microphone. This is me with a microphone and no windshield. This is me with a microphone and with a face shield. Windshield, I guess. This is me without a microphone. We bought this from Shopee for as low as 510 with no shipping fee. It's 607. There are lots of sellers from Shopee who sell this kind of microphone. Some are expensive, but some are cheap. This is the only microphone nakita namin na mura that has good ratings. Ratings are very important. This is the only shop na meron zero shipping fee. We use Shopee vouchers, cash back voucher. Everyday Shopee give us cash back voucher. So use that para makatipid. And we also use Shopee coins para mas makatipid. I will put the link in my description box kung saan namin to nabili. If you will ask me if sulit ba ito, it's a yes! Mura na, gumagana pa. This is very useful for all the small YouTubers like me. Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share!